Tires are the only part of your car touching the road, yet most drivers treat them like an afterthought. After 15 years as a mechanic, I've seen tires shredded, unevenly worn, or completely destroyed. Not by roads, but by bad habits drivers repeat daily. Misaligned wheels, underinflation, aggressive cornering, and even simple mistakes like braking habits silently cut your tire's life in half. In this video, I'm breaking down the 13 mistakes that destroy tires faster than you think. Some are obvious, others are things you may do every single day without realizing the damage they cause. By the time we're done, you'll understand how to protect your tires, improve fuel efficiency, and avoid costly replacements. Hit subscribe to Care Xpert so you never fall for these tire-destroying habits again. Let's start with mistake number 1. It might surprise you how common it is. Number 1. Driving with incorrect tire pressure. Underinflated tires flex too much, creating heat that breaks down rubber and leads to premature wear or blowouts. Overinflated tires reduce the contact patch, causing uneven center wear and reducing traction. Many drivers check pressure only occasionally, but temperature changes can lower or raise PSY without notice. Properly inflated tires improve fuel economy, braking, and handling. Always check pressure when cold, ideally weekly, and adjust according to the manufacturer's recommendation. Neglect this, and your tires could fail in the worst moment. And speaking of uneven wear, the next mistake is shockingly common. Number 2. Ignoring wheel alignment. Misaligned wheels make your tires scrub across the road unevenly, accelerating wear on inner or outer edges. It also affects steering response and suspension health. Drivers often notice this only after months of uneven tread wear, but the damage starts the moment alignment is off. Regular alignment checks, especially after potholes, curb hits, or suspension repairs, prevent premature tire destruction. Ignoring alignment not only shortens tire life, but also increases fuel consumption. And if you think tires wear evenly over time, mistake number 3 will surprise you. Number 3. Overloading your vehicle. Every tire has a load rating, and exceeding it puts immense stress on rubber, sidewalls, and tread. Overloaded tires heat up faster, degrade compounds, and are more likely to blow out, even at moderate speeds. Many drivers underestimate the combined weight of passengers, cargo, and modifications. Police and safety inspectors often catch overloading during roadside checks because it's a silent risk to tires and suspension components. Stay within load limits, distribute weight evenly, and check tire ratings. But overloading isn't the only factor causing heat buildup. Aggressive driving makes things worse. Number 4. Hard acceleration and braking. Rapid starts and sudden braking shred tires faster than normal driving. Every hard launch creates friction and heat, especially on the rear tires, while sudden braking can scuff front tires unevenly. Not only does this shorten tire life, but it also reduces grip on wet or icy roads. Smooth acceleration, gentle braking, and anticipating traffic can save hundreds or even thousands of miles on your tires. Yet drivers continue this habit daily, and next comes a silent killer hiding in plain sight. Number 5. Frequent cornering at high speeds. Sharp turns at high speeds place lateral stress on tires, causing uneven sidewall wear and premature shoulder damage. Performance cars or SUVs with aggressive cornering styles wear tires exponentially faster than sedate vehicles. Even slight increases in cornering speed over time compound tire degradation. Police and racing authorities know that tires under constant lateral strain lose their lifespan quickly. Slowing down through corners and avoiding aggressive swerves dramatically extends tire life. But the next mistake doesn't just hurt tires, it affects suspension too. Number 6. Driving with damaged suspension. Worn shocks, struts, or bushings cause uneven tire contact with the road, leading to scalloping or cupping. Tires bounce inconsistently, creating irregular wear patterns that shorten life. Many drivers ignore suspension noises, believing tires wear evenly over time, but damage starts almost immediately. Regular inspections, especially after hitting potholes or curbs, prevent this hidden tire killer. And the next mistake is deceptively common: almost everyone makes it without realizing. Number 7. Ignoring tire rotation. Rotating tires balances wear across all 4 tires. Failing to rotate leads to premature wear on driven wheels. Front-wheel drive cars wear fronts faster. Rear-wheel drives wear rears faster. Tire rotation every 5,000 to 7,000 miles equalizes tread life, improves handling, and reduces vibration. Many drivers skip rotations, thinking it's optional, but it's one of the simplest ways to extend tire life. Rotation isn't just maintenance, it's prevention. And speaking of prevention, the next mistake involves something nearly invisible. Number 8. Driving on bald or worn tires with shallow tread are extremely vulnerable to punctures, hydroplaning, and heat buildup. Bald tires lose traction, especially in wet or icy conditions, and overheat faster, leading to potential blowouts. Police frequently cite drivers for dangerously worn tires because the risk is immediate. Inspect your tread depth regularly using a gauge or the penny test. Replace tires before they reach the minimum legal limit. But tire degradation isn't just from wear. Improper storage also plays a role. Number 9. Poor tire storage. When tires are stored improperly, in sunlight, near heat sources, or stacked incorrectly, UV light and heat degrade rubber compounds. Tires dry out, crack, and lose elasticity before they even hit the road. Seasonal tire owners often make this mistake, thinking tires in the garage are safe indefinitely. Store tires vertically in a cool, dark area, and avoid stacking too many on top of each other. Proper storage preserves compound integrity, and the next mistake can kill tires faster than potholes. Number 10. Driving over debris and potholes. Hitting potholes, curbs, or road debris punctures tires, damages sidewalls, and can create internal belt separation. Many drivers accept this as normal wear, but each impact shortens tire life and risks sudden failure. Avoid obstacles when possible, slow down over rough roads, and inspect tires after impacts. This is one of the most common causes of premature tire replacement in every region. Next comes a mistake that silently reduces lifespan with no visible damage. Number 11. Ignoring proper tire balancing. Unbalanced tires wear unevenly, create vibrations, and stress sidewalls. Drivers often notice only shaking at high speeds, but damage starts immediately. Balancing every 5,000 to 7,000 miles prevents uneven tread wear and protects suspension components. Skipping this step may feel harmless, but your tires quietly degrade. The next mistake is something almost every driver underestimates. Number 12. Using wrong tire type for conditions. Summer tires on snow, winter tires in heat, or all-season tires in extreme off-road conditions wear faster than designed. Incorrect tire selection stresses rubber, reduces grip, and increases heat buildup. Manufacturers design compounds for specific climates and surfaces. Using the wrong tire type accelerates wear dramatically and can cause dangerous blowouts. Choose tires appropriate for season, weather, and driving conditions. And finally, one of the most overlooked habits that silently kills tires. Number 13. Over or underinflating. During seasonal changes, temperature changes affect PSI. Cold weather drops pressure, hot weather increases it. Drivers who don't adjust PSI seasonally accelerate uneven wear. Underinflation causes flex in heat. Overinflation reduces contact patch and shoulder wear. Many drivers only check pressure occasionally, unaware how much seasonal changes affect lifespan. Adjust PSI with every season change to protect tires, fuel economy, and handling. Small care today saves a full replacement tomorrow. If you learned something, hit like, because most drivers don't realize how quickly their daily actions are wearing out their tires. Subscribe to Care Xpert. Drive smart, maintain your tires, and protect your ride. They're the only thing connecting you to the road.